Well, hello everybody, all you new kindergarten students. We are going to have a handwriting lesson today, and this is one you're just going to watch. I am going to draw a house on these handwriting lines. This is my bedroom upstairs. Here's my front door, and downstairs I have my kitchen and my living room. And in my house, if you went inside, you would find a deep, dark basement. Only the brave people go down there. Now, this house actually gives us the three parts of handwriting lines. We have a top blue line. We have this line in the middle. It's red and it looks like little dashes, but we actually call it the dotted red line. I don't know why, but it's called a dotted line. And then this is the baseline. And the base is kind of where everything sits. See how my house sits right on the baseline? So this is kind of a first grade idea, but when we print letters, a lot of the letters just like staying in between the dotted red line and the baseline, and I call those the downstairs letters. They don't like going upstairs, they don't like going downstairs in the basement, they just stay on the first floor. Okay, so they're the downstairs letter. And by downstairs, I don't mean basement. I mean right here, right here. Now, some letters are tall and they like to go upstairs too. So in between the top line and the dotted red line, some letters are going to go up there. So I usually call those letters that go upstairs. Now, there are some letters who are very brave and they go down into the basement, and we call those the basement letters. So those are the three places the letters will live. They'll live downstairs on the first floor. They might be tall and go upstairs, and a few of them are brave enough to go in the basement. So that's our first handwriting lesson. When I talk about our handwriting house, this is what I'm talking about. So real quickly, let me erase this, and I'm going to make a letter. Okay, I'm going to make, I bet you know what this letter is. That's a lowercase a. Now, is the lowercase a an upstairs letter, downstairs on the first floor, or in the basement? All right, now I'm going to make another letter. It's another lowercase letter. And with this one, sometimes this one's confusing, but here's what I say. I'm making a bat and a bouncy ball. And bat and ball both start with B. So that's the letter B, bat and bouncy ball. Where does that one live? Would I call that an upstairs, a downstairs, or a basement letter? And then I'm going to show you one more. Let's do this one. Little slide, long slide. And where is that sliding? Okay, so I actually did make one of each, didn't I? I made a downstairs letter. I made an upstairs letter. And I made one basement letter so you could get an idea of what they look like. So we will start working on those as we do Star Student. Thanks for listening.